Good afternoon, children. Already we have seen how we are going to school in our locality and about especially in the North India. Is it? Let's read. I told what is trolley, what is pulley, and what is the cement bridge, camel cart, jugaad, like that vehicle. Is it? So now we are going to see about the trolley. What does mean by trolley? It is an open box made of wood. It is an open box and made of wood. It's attached with the rope. This is called trolley. See, let's read. Let us read that. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley. So what does mean by trolley? It has an iron rope. We have to cross the river. So it is tied tightly, strong trees or rocks. So how is the trolley? How it is look? An open box made of wood attached with the rope. This is called trolley. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. How many members can sit in the trolley? 4 or 5. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. What is the pulley? Pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. It's be like a wheel. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. See, did you see well? I'm circling here. No, this is called pulley. While pull the water from into the well, it's called a pulley. How can you lift the things without help of a pulley? We can't lift easily into a well. We have to tie a bucket or any utensil. We have to tie the rope into the pulley. Then we can pull it out. It's very easily. Without pulley, we can't lift the things. It's not easier. But with the pulley, we can lift the things very easily. That is the difference of those pictures. See here, this is a cement bridge. For example, our Musri Kulithalai, that bridge also is a cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies. So we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. Yes, some bridges have steps. Some bridges have attached with the road. So what are the things made of cement bridge? Bricks and iron rods. Cement. These are the cement bridge things. How is the bridge different from a bamboo bridge? Bamboo bridge, it's to be less weight, but cement bridge is to be very thick. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? Although the cement bridge, if we use it, we can move more than people. But if we have the trolley or else bamboo bridge, we have to pass less people only. You have seen how children use different kinds of bridges to cross river and other uneven areas to reach school. Is it? Yes, we have seen lot of places to while crossing the bridges. We have seen lot. So if you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? I like, for example, only I am saying this answer. I would like to take the bridge of cement bridge only, because of its take time very less to cross the river, any water body. But if I go any trolley or else the bamboo bridge, it will take time more and we have to be patient. We should not get any fear also. So that I would like to travel in cement bridge only. Do you have to cross any bridge on the other way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge you like? Drop its picture. For this question meaning is, while coming our school, by that time, I don't have any water to cross any bridge. So I can't see any bridges. Find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges were there when they were young. My grandma, my grandpa, they have used bamboo bridge. So like that you have to ask your grandparents too. Take the next page. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between two mountains or somewhere else. Yeah, I have seen a bridge. It's to be over water. Who all use the bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? Yeah, everyone use the bridge. Everybody used by foot, animals and vehicles, etc. Does the bridge seem to be old or it's new? Yes, it's to be old bridge, but it seem to look new. Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. This is some of them. As usual, cement. This is a cement bridge. So we have used cement, iron rods and bricks. Draw the picture of a bridge in your notebook. Do not forget the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. Okay, you have to draw any other bridge. Okay, see, Ballam. Did you see any boat to cross the river water body? In Kerala, we are using one water boat, no? That is called Vallam. It's to be small wooden boat. So, see, in some parts of Kerala, we use a Vallam, small wooden boat to reach school. Not at all school. Colleges also, they have used Vallam only. Have you seen any other kind of boat? Yes, houseboat. What have we have seen? Houseboat. This is in Alappuzha in Kerala. We can see lot. Can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? What are the things we can travel by water? Boat, ship, then motor boat, etc. Then camel cart. Where is the camel? We can see in Rajasthan desert area only. If we live in a desert area, we have to use camel cart. See this, we live in the desert, there is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. So what about the Rajasthan people? They have used only camel cart to go to school. See, have you ever sat in the camel cart or horse carriage? Horse carriage, we have to say donga. Horse carriage only, donga. But my wish, in my point of view, I didn't travel in camel cart and donga too. If you travel, you have to explain it. But we have traveled on elephant in our childhood days. Is it? How can you climb it with the elephant man? It can be help to us. Is it? Then see bullock cart. Bullock. In the village playing area only we can see lot of bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. Nowadays also we have a lot of bullock cart and bullock cart races too. So we can analyze. If you see that one, you just feel it. Wow, this is a bullock cart. It's only we can see in the village area. See the next page. Do you have a bullock carts where you live? No, I don't have bullock cart. If you have to write the answer. Does it have a roof? I don't have a bullock cart, so that I don't have a roof. What kind of wheels do they have? Yes, they have a wheels. It's fully made by wood. Make a drawing of a bullock cart in your notebook. Then bicycle ride. During my school days, I have rode in bicycle only. So I knew about bicycle ride. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now groups of 7 or 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Yes, in my school days also I rode only by bicycle because of it's not near to my school. It's too far. I have to walk 2 kilometers, so that I use bicycle. So I knew about bicycle ride. But your wish, you are using a bicycle ride, it's only for entertaining walk. Everyone has a bicycle, but you are using that one for your entertaining walk, entertaining of a riding walk. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes. If yes, who taught you to ride? My appa, my dad only taught to ride. How many children come on bicycles to your school? During my school days, along with myself, 7 girls we have passed in the bicycle. Like that. But you are entertaining only nowadays. So, how many children did play with you? You have to mention it. This is the Jugaad. First class I mentioned a Jugaad. It's fully front side we have a motorcycle. Back side we have a carriage. Normal wood carriage. Okay, this is called a Jugaad. It gives some put sound. So where we have used the this Jugaad in Gujarat area. Look at our special transport. It sounds, already I said you what is the sound? Put. When it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. I said it's fully made by wood. The carriage only made by wood. Do you have such vehicles in your area? No, I don't have like such vehicle. What do you call them in your area? We don't have, so we can't call that one. Would you like to ride in something like this? Why? We have. I would like to ride on bicycle, motorcycle, then bullock cart, etc. Can you tell why it is called a Jugaad? Because of its front part. Why it's called a Jugaad? Its front part is a motorcycle, back side is a wooden carriage. The Jugaad has been made by using only waste material. Why don't you also try to make something by putting together some waste material? We can make by using a waste newspaper. We can make a motorcycle too. Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such places. We can see like those vehicles in such places. Then some children cross the jungle because of they have to go school. During those days too. Some children, some of them can go by their walk. Okay, like those things. How can they move from them? By using the jungle, by using snow, and then mountain plains. The rocky path. This is called a rocky path. So, shall we read? See this. Children cross the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places, it's so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Can you go alone into a jungle? No, I feel fear. What about you? You just comment it. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such places? No, I am not be anywhere. Write your experience in your notebook. If you have passed any jungle, you just write the experiences. See the next one. Moving on the snow. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. Suddenly if we have a snow too much of soft, it will sink ourselves into the snow itself. So we can't come out, so that we have to hold our hands together. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. It will be make to us slip. Where is the snow area? We can see Simla, Himachal Pradesh, that everything. And Manali. Have you ever seen so much snow? Yes, I have seen so much in Manali. Where? Manali. In films or somewhere else? I have seen in films. I went during my childhood days to Manali. Do you think that such places have snow all the time? Why? No. There is no snow such all those times during the winter season before. Maybe 6 months we can see the snow such places. Then rocky path. We live in the mountain. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these. Definitely. Even though while walking session, if you see any stone, it will be tough for you. But if you those days we have to move continuously with the rocky parts it's to be tough. So, but we can easily raise up and down. No matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, mountains or snow on the way. We managed to reach school. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? No, I don't face anything. Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? I like September month because of September and October because of the rainy season. Schools also mostly they will give holidays, so that I like that 2 months. Okay, students, like those rocky parts we can see Uttar Pradesh after Uttarakhand and Ladakh area. We can see the rocky parts. That's all. If you have a doubt, you have to ask in the group, and I will explain in the next class. Thank you, students.